Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what your person feels about you. What is the obstacle in this relationship and what are they planning to do in the near future? What action they are planning to take. So let's see what is the person thinking about you Sagittarians. What are their feelings for you? Okay, so we have the Page of Cups for their feelings for you. Let's see what is holding back or what is the obstacle in the path of this relationship. Okay, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Now let's see what are they planning to do in the near future. What action will they take? Nine of Wands. Okay. With the Page of Cups being there in the feelings, this person really wants to open up. They really want to offer their love to you. They are really looking for an opportunity perhaps to open up. They really love you, but for that we have the Nine of Cups, the World, and the Page of Wands. So this person really they just view you, they just really feel that you are their wish fulfillment. They are very happy to be with you and they really want a new beginning with you. Okay, they really want a new beginning with you. They really want to open up. They really want to open up emotionally. That's what I feel. And the thing is, because with the Eight of Pentacles being there in the obstacles, I think some sort of effort or work is lacking in this relationship. Okay, somebody is not putting in the work which is required for this relationship to progress forward. It may be you, because here we have, in the near future, we have the Nine of Wands, which is waiting. So this person is just waiting perhaps for a gesture from your side. Anyway, let's see what is the obstacle. What is this Eight of Pentacles here for in the obstacles? So again, for the Eight of Pentacles, again we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Empress. Okay. So somebody here needs to put in the effort. Somebody here needs to put in an effort for this new beginning. Okay. So effort is like lacking, the work which is required for this reunion or this union and for a new beginning to manifest is lacking, and that is the obstacle. One more thing is, maybe are you people staying away? It can be that also, because it is a reconciliation card. With the Six of Cups, it can be a reconciliation also. So maybe you people are staying away from each other and that is coming as an obstacle, that maybe you are separated for some reason. Okay, maybe just staying at other places or maybe detached for some time for some reason, and that is coming as an obstacle. So perhaps some hard work or an effort needs to be put in this relationship for a reunion and a new beginning, and that is what is lacking. That's what I feel here. And as the most likely outcome, or whatever they are planning to do in the near future, we have the Nine of Wands. So this person perhaps is waiting since a long time from an effort or a gesture from your side, because as I said, the effort is lacking in this relationship. I think it's you that who isn't, because your person is just waiting there. And here we have the Ten of Wands, the Strength, and the Nine of Pentacles. So I see this person walking away. That is what they will be forced to do. That's what I feel, because they've been waiting for, this will be their action. Okay, so they are waiting for an effort from your side, that you put in some effort into this relationship so that it can move forward. But if you are just not putting in an effort and they are the only one who is putting in this lot of effort for this new beginning, this person is done with it, because though it is hard for them to walk off, but yes, this person is done with the waiting thing. They are ready to move on and be single, because they are not in a mood to wait anymore. Okay, so they are done with whatever this waiting thing is, and this person is just, maybe it is just a one-sided relationship. It can be as simple as that. It has become a one-sided, at least as for now, and this person, though they don't want to do that, they don't want to walk away, and it's really tough for them, but they will do it anyway. So Sagittarians, I think if you are really interested in them, then you should really give them that gesture or that inclination, or put in some effort from your side also. Don't take them for granted. Just see the justice and the Magician has fallen down. I think you need to give some sort of a clue to them, at least if you are interested. And if you're taking them for granted, and if you're thinking that this person will keep on working and working and working to keep this relationship alive, and I can be the person who can always be on the receiving end, then perhaps that will be too much for them to do, and for too much for you to expect from them, Sagittarians. So anyway, the decision is yours finally. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.